Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Dribbble easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Dribbble, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Dribbble website at www.dribbble.com. If you already have an account, click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then click login. If you need to create a new account, click on the sign up button instead. You will be prompted to enter your details. Fill in your name, email address, and create a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account. After completing the form, click on Create Account. Next, you may be asked to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification link. Click the link to confirm your account. Once logged in, explore the home page to discover creative work. Use the search bar to find specific designers or projects. Follow artists whose work you admire by clicking the follow button on their profiles. To showcase your work, click on the upload button. Choose the upload option that fits your project type. Add relevant tags to your design for better discoverability. Write a brief description to explain your work. Once you are satisfied, click Publish to share your design with the community. Engage with other designers by leaving comments on their work. Participate in discussions within the Dribbble community. Regularly update your profile with new projects to keep it active. Consider joining Dribble's Pro Plan for additional features and visibility. Enjoy connecting and sharing your creativity with fellow designers on Dribbble. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.